If you need to request a refund on Coinbase for a payment that has already gone through, follow these straightforward steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account by entering your credentials on the Coinbase website or mobile app. Ensure you are using the correct account associated with the transaction. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity or Transactions section. Here, you will find a list of all your recent transactions. Identify the specific transaction for which you want a refund. Step 3. Check refund eligibility. Before proceeding, check if the transaction is eligible for a refund. Generally, refunds are possible for certain types of transactions, such as purchases from merchants that support refunds. Review Coinbase's policies for more details. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the transaction is eligible, reach out to Coinbase customer support. You can do this through the Help Center or by submitting a support request. Provide all necessary details about the transaction, including the amount, date, and reason for the refund. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Coinbase. If you don't receive a response within a few days, consider following up to ensure your request is being processed. In conclusion, requesting a refund on Coinbase involves logging in, locating the transaction, checking eligibility, contacting support, and following up. By following these steps, you can navigate the refund process more easily.